Very good. Guys, all of you able to access the DevOps class notes in the website. All of you able to access the DevOps class notes in the website. The people who joined for the DevOps, are you able to access the class notes? Guys, 7 p.m. people, batch people, today I will give you access for that. So I asked you to fill up the form to attend the DevOps classes parallelly. The people who are belongs to 7 p.m. DevOps AWS batch, for them, I will give the access tomorrow. The people who belongs to 8 p.m. DevOps batch and the people who completed the payment, for them, I have given the class notes access, guys, all of you. If you go to our website, when you log in into our website, here you can see, guys, see here, I'm going to tell you how to access the class notes in our website. All of you can see this. All of you able to see my screen? Log in into our website. Once you log in into our website, go to My Courses. In the My Courses, you can see the DevOps. If you are belongs to the DevOps 830 batch, then you will see this DevOps image here. Now, for 7 p.m. people, I will give the access to access this course, guys. The people who joined for DevOps recently and people who are belongs to DevOps 8 p.m. batch, click on this View Notes button. Here you can see the class notes. Yesterday's class notes I have uploaded. DevOps introduction notes I have uploaded. Maven introduction notes also I have uploaded. Daily, you need to join the class by using this button. If the Zoom link is modified, it will be updated in the portal. You no need to call the admin team for the Zoom link, guys. So you need to log in into the website. You need to go to My Courses section. You click on the DevOps image. There is a button, Join Class button. If you click on this button, it will redirect you to the Zoom. There you can attend the DevOps classes daily. If the Zoom link is modified, the link will be updated in the portal. For the Telegram group joining, there is a button, Join in the Telegram. If you click on this button, it will open this Telegram group. Then you can join in the Telegram. All these DevOps people available in this Telegram group. For doubts, clarifications, we can use this Telegram group for the DevOps. 8:30 p.m. batch, DevOps group is available here. Can you guys please join in this Telegram group now? All of you, can you join in this Telegram group? Make it quick. All of you can access Zoom link, can access Telegram link from here, class notes. Everything will be available in the website, guys. Everything will be available in the website. Zoom link, if it is modified, admin team will not send you email, will not send you any message in the Telegram because that Zoom link is available in the portal. You need to log in into our website, go to My Courses, go to DevOps. Here you can see Zoom link option, you can see Telegram option. If you click on this button, then you can join the class. If you click on this button, you can join in the Telegram group. For doubts, clarifications, you can join in the Telegram group. All of you able to access the class notes? All of you able to access the class notes? People who completed the payment, for them, it is available. The people who are belongs to DevOps first batch and the people who paid for the DevOps recently, you can access this. People who are belongs to DevOps 7 p.m. for them, I will give the access tomorrow in the website. For them, I will give the access tomorrow to access the class notes, Zoom link and all. Okay. Fine, guys. Perfect. Perfect. The people who are not completed the enrollment process, you cannot access this, guys. If you complete your enrollment process, then we will provide the access for you also in the website to access this Zoom link and Telegram link. In the website, that access will be provided for you once you have completed your payment. All right, chalo, let's get started now. Where are we in the last session, guys? Do you remember what we are discussing in the last session? What we are discussing in the last session, do you remember? Okay. We are discussing about Maven. We are discussing about Maven. Okay, guys. Chalo. Let's check this now. Let's get started with our today's session.
This meeting is being recorded.
Good evening, everyone. In the last session, we started our discussion related to Maven. What is the Maven? Maven is a build tool which is used to automate build process for Java applications. Before going to understand the Maven, we need to have some overview related to Java. What is Java? How Java is going to execute, how the Java projects will be developed. Yesterday, I gave you some overview related to Java. So let's quickly revise what we discussed in the Java. Java is a programming language. That Java language developed by a company called Sun Microsystem. Nowadays, this Sun Microsystem company not available. Oracle company acquired Sun Microsystem. Now, Java is under license of Oracle. Oracle company acquired Sun Microsystem. Java language, Java is under license of Oracle company now. Java is under license of Oracle company. Java is a programming language. Java language provided by or developed by, we can say, Java language developed by Sun Microsystem company. Oracle company acquired Sun Microsystem. Java is under license of Oracle company now. Java is a high-level programming language. Java is very simple programming language to develop the projects. Whenever we develop a Java program, the Java programs will be saved with .java extension. For the text file, we have a .txt extension. For the PDF, we will have .pdf extension. Similarly, for the Java programs, we will have .java as the extension. Demo.java, hello.java, driver.java, calculator.java, like this. We are going to create the Java programs with the .java extension in the file. Now, whenever we write a Java program, we cannot execute the Java program directly. We cannot execute .java programs directly. We cannot execute .java files directly. It is not supported. Okay, Java programs should be converted into machine understandable format to execute. Here, .java file we are creating, that Java programs we cannot execute directly because Java is one programming language. Computers will understand only binary language. So we need to convert the Java program into machine understandable format to execute. Now, .java file will contain source code. Java programs nothing but .java files. Those Java files contains source code. We need to compile the Java source code into bytecode using Java compiler. Java compiler is called as Java C. Java compiler is called as Java C. How to compile a Java program? If you have a Java file with a name called demo.java, then you can compile the Java program by using Java C demo.java. When we compile Java code, it will create a .class file. That means .java file will be converting into .class file. We need to execute the .class file to run the Java program. Okay, what is the syntax to run the Java program? Java space file name, that is class name, Java space class name. When we run the Java program using Java command, JVM will start and it will execute the Java program. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. This is JVM will provide runtime environment to run the Java program. What is the duty of the JVM? JVM will convert the bytecode into machine understandable code. Java is a source code. Java program will contain a source code. That source code will be converted into bytecode. That bytecode will be converted into machine understandable code. Okay, who is executing the Java program? JVM. In order to execute the Java program, we need to compile the Java program. So first we are going to write the source code. That source code will be compiled into bytecode. That bytecode will be converted into machine understandable code. So JVM is the one which is going to convert the bytecode into machine understandable code. Java project contains several Java programs. That means several .java files will be available in a project. Project is nothing but collection of Java files. We need to compile the project to source code into bytecode. When we compile the project to source code, we will get a .class files. To deploy the Java project, we will package all .class files. We will package all .class files as one jar file or war file, as a jar or war file. Standalone Java projects will be packaged as a jar file. Web applications will be packaged as a war file. Jar stands for Java archive. Java archive. Jar nothing but collection of .class files. War file is nothing but web archive. War file is nothing but web archive. Standalone Java projects will be packaged as a jar file. Web applications will be packaged as war file. Now, guys, here, whenever we develop a Java application, directly that Java project is not going to execute. Here, Java project is nothing but several .java files will be available. Several .java files will be available. Those .java files we are going to compile, then it is going to generate a bytecode. It is going to generate the bytecode. Bytecode will be available in .class files. Those .class files we are going to package as a war file. The .class files we are going to package as a war file. That war file we are going to deploy inside a server. We are going to take one web server. That web server you can install in your computer, or you can install that web server in the AWS cloud platform. In the AWS cloud platform, I'm going to set up one web server by taking a EC2 instance. I will set up one web server. I will set up one web server in the AWS cloud. Then whatever the war file we have created, that war file we are going to deploy into that web server. The war file we are going to deploy into that web server. So here that war file will be deployed. So this is how we are going to run the Java projects in the real time. Developers are going to create the Java files. Then those Java files should be converted into .class files. Those .class files should be packaged as a war file. That war file should be deployed into server. Now here Java files will be available. Those Java files will be done by the developers. Then we need to create .class files and we need to package them as a war file. This activity can be done by using Maven software. This activity can be done by using which software, guys? Maven software. What is Maven? Maven is a free and open source software given by Apache organization. Maven software is developed using Java language only. Maven is used to perform the build automation for the Java projects. Maven is called as a Java build tool. What we can do by using Maven? We can create the project folder structure by using Maven. Now, in order to develop a Java project, we need some folder structure, where to keep the Java files, where to keep the .class files. In the project, where I need to keep the .java files, where I need to keep the .class files, where I need to keep the configuration files, where I need to keep the jar file or war file. That structure is required. That structure will be created by Maven. Whatever the project we want, that project structure can be created by using Maven software. Maven is a build tool. Whenever we are going to develop a Java project, only Java is sufficient to develop the project, or only Java is not sufficient to develop the project? Guys, tell me, in the industry, people are using only Java to develop the project, or we need some frameworks also along with Java? We using only Java can we develop the project, or we need some frameworks also along with Java to make the project by using Java? Along with this, we need some frameworks also. We need some frameworks also. What are the frameworks available? What are the frameworks available? Spring is one framework. Hibernate is one framework. Kafka, Redis, security, like that, so many things are available. All these things we need to use in the project. These are called as dependencies. Instead of we are downloading the dependencies, that Maven is going to download the dependencies which are required for our project. Maven is going to download the dependencies required for the project. Right. Now, what else that Maven can do? We can compile the project to source code using Maven. We can compile the project to source code by using Maven. Then we can package the project as a jar or war file using Maven. All these steps I have given above. We can package the Java project as a jar or war file. We can compile the project to source code using Maven. We can compile the project source code using Maven. Right. Now we need to download the dependencies using Maven. Java is a free software given by Sun Microsystem. To develop one Java project, we will use several frameworks like Spring, Hibernate along with Java. We need to download those frameworks. Those are called dependencies. Here, Maven can download those dependencies if you tell that to the Maven using POM file. What is a POM file in the Maven? POM stands for Project Object Model. That is an input file. That is a input file. Whatever the dependencies you want for the project, you configure them in the POM, then Maven is going to download them. Right? We can compile the source code. We can package the project by using Maven. Are you guys able to understand what is Java and how the Java projects are going to execute, and what is Maven? What is the role of the Maven in the Java project? Are you getting that clarity? Are you getting the clarity? What is the role of the Maven in the Java? Yes or no? Very good. Now, I want to create a project by using Maven. I want to download the dependencies using Maven. I want to compile the project using Maven. Whatever the steps I told, 4 steps. Initial project structure can be created by using Maven. Dependencies can be downloaded by using Maven. And project source code can be compiled by using Maven. Project can be packaged by using Maven. Whatever the 4 steps I told you, I want to do that practically. In order to do that practically, I need to install the Maven software. Okay, guys. Now, Maven software developed by using which programming language? Maven software developed by using which programming language? Java. So that means if I want to run the Maven, do I need to install the Java or not? If I want to run the Maven, do I need to install the Java software or not? If you want to run the Maven, first you need to install the Java. Why? Because Maven software itself is developed by using Java. Java is required to run the Maven. Chalo. First we need to download and install Java. Download and install Java software. Guys, first we need to download and install Java software. Again, the thing is, when we download and install the Java software is going to be Java software. When you install, you are going to get 2 things, guys. Okay, whenever you install the Java software will provide you 2 things. One is called JDK, another one is called JRE. Whenever you install the Java, you are going to get the 2 things. First one is JDK, second one is JRE. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. Guys, can you see some grace in my voice? Pitch is increasing, na? No? Huh? Very active, because we are talking about Java. Java is our favorite programming language. Java is my favorite programming language. More energy. More energy is coming when I'm talking about Java. Right. Okay. So if you want to work with Java, if you want to work with the Maven, then what is required? If you want to work with the Maven, then what is required? We need Java software. Okay. Right. So you are going to download and install the Java. When we install Java, we will get 2 things. When we install Java, we will get below 2 things. are those guys? First one is JDK. Second one is JRE. What is the meaning of JDK? Java Development Kit, guys. That means it is set of tools. JDK nothing but set of tools to develop the programs. JRE nothing but Java Runtime Environment. It is a platform to run the programs. JDK contains set of tools. JDK contains a set of tools to develop Java programs. Okay. JRE contains platform or environment which is used to run Java programs. Are you clear with my point? We need to download and install Java software. Guys, see here. When we download and install the Java software, it will give you two things. One is JDK, another one is JRE. JDK contains set of tools to develop the Java programs. JRE contains a platform or environment which is used to run the Java programs. Guys, if you are a developer, then you are going to install JDK and JRE. In the client system, JDK not required, only JRE. Clients are not going to develop the programs. Clients are going to just run the programs. To run the Java program, only JRE is sufficient. But if you want to develop the program and if you want to compile the program, then JDK required. JDK contains the tools which are used to develop the program and compile the program. JRE contains a runtime environment which is used to run the Java program. Are you guys clear with my point? Now, guys, here you need to download and install Java software. I think I am already having that Java. For you people, I will share that Java file, guys. Okay. In the Telegram, I have given you java.exe file, which is used to install the Java software in our Windows operating system. If you want to download, you can go to browser and you download it. If Java is under license of which company now? I gave you one point. Java is under license of which company? Is it licensed under Sun Microsystem or is it under Oracle? Oracle. So now tell me, from which website we need to download the Java? We need to download the Java from Oracle website. Now you see here, download Java or download JDK 8. Download JDK 8 software. Now this is the link where you can download Java software. Okay. Now here Java is available for multiple platforms, guys. Java Development Kit JDK is available for Linux. You can download for Linux and for Mac, for Solaris, for Windows also you can download. My system is Windows 64-bit operating system. So I'm going to click on this last link to download the Java. Windows 64-bit, Windows 32-bit, Solaris operating system, Mac operating system, Linux operating system, like that. Java is available in multiple operating systems. Okay. Here I'm going to download the Java for Windows operating system. Here, this is the link to download the JDK 8 software, guys. This is the link to download the JDK 8. Link to download Java. Link to download Java. This is the URL to download Java. Now click on this. Now it is asking license agreement, download. Download. When I click on download, what's happening here? Is it directly downloading or it is asking me to log in into the Oracle website? Is it downloading directly or it is asking me to log in into the Oracle website? Account is free. You need to create an account in the Oracle. You need to create the account in the Oracle, guys. Then only you can download it. If you don't have an account, create the account in the Oracle. It is free of cost. You no need to pay any money. No need to provide any credit card or debit card. Directly create the account in the Oracle. Once you create the account in the Oracle, then once you click on that link, then the Java software will be downloaded for you. Then the Java software will be downloaded for you. Okay. After creating the account in the Java, then you can download that Java software. Once you create the account in the Java, then you can download the Java software. If you don't want that, in the Telegram, I have given this file here, guys. I have given the .exe file directly. You can click on that file and you can download that file. You can click on that and you can download. Now, once you have downloaded the .exe file, you can install that Java. In my system, already Java is installed. You see, in the C program files, Java folder is created. When you go to Java, can you see there are 2 folders available in the Java? Can you see that there are 2 folders available in the Java? What are those 2 folders? What are those 2 folders available? JDK and JRE. What is the difference between JDK and JRE? What is the difference between JDK and JRE? Come on, guys. What is the difference between JDK and JRE? JDK is a development kit. JRE is a runtime environment. JDK is a development kit and JRE is a runtime environment. We are downloading which software? JDK. When you install the JDK, it will install the JRE also. When you install the JDK, it will install the JRE also. Are you guys getting my point? Yep. If you want to download that from the Oracle website, you need to log in into the Oracle website, guys. Create the account and log in into the Oracle, then download the Java. You will get a .exe file. Once you get the .exe file, then you need to install that Java file. See here, you need to install the Java file. Whenever you install the Java file, it is going to install both JDK software and JRE software in the program files. Java, JDK available, JRE available. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? So what is the first step we need to do to set up the Maven? What is the first step we need to set up to install the Maven? Directly are we going to install the Maven, or first we are installing the Java? First we are going to install the Java. So whenever you install the Java, what we are going to get? We are going to get the JDK and we are going to get the JRE. JDK contains a set of tools to develop the Java programs. JRE contains a platform or environment which is used to run the Java program. Very good. Guys, once it is done, then we need to configure Java home in the environment variables. See this. Once it is done, set Java home in system in environment variables. My computer should recognize where is the Java software in my system. Okay, some people will install the Java in the C drive, some people will install in the D drive, some people will install in the E drive. Here, whenever I install the Java in some folder, my operating system, I'm using a Windows, my operating system should understand where I have installed Java. To tell to operating system, my Java is available in so and so location, I'm going to set up Java home in the environment variables. Okay, now how to set the environment variables here? Let's go to your PC, right click. Now advanced system settings will come here. Properties. Yeah, fine, that's fine. Now do one thing. Let's search for environment variables. Okay, guys, whenever I search for environment variables in the computer, see here how I am searching for the environment variables. What I need to do is I have installed Java. That's fine. Whenever I install, I will get the JDK and I will get the JRE. Okay, good. Installation is completed. Guys, observe carefully. The people who are belongs to only DevOps, please concentrate carefully. This is very, very, very important. We are doing environment setup. Okay, so there are most of the people are from the Java background in this batch. They all know about this. But the people who are not from Java, so you need to concentrate more today because you need to do this setup in your system. Yes or no? Right. So Java is downloaded and Java is installed. It is installed in the C drive. You can install in any location, no problem. Whenever I install the Java, I will get the JDK and I will get the JRE. Okay. Now we need to tell to my operating system where is the Java available. To tell to operating system where is the Java available, I need to set the Java home in the environment variables. Environment variables means what? The variables which will be used by our operating system are called as environment variables. I am using a computer. Can I use a computer without operating system? I cannot use a computer without operating system, right? Now, when I am using a operating system, my operating system should understand where is the Java. My operating system should understand where is the Java. How to tell to operating system where is the Java? By using environment variables. Environment variables are again divided into two types. One is user variables, another one is system variables. Chalo. Now, when I am trying to search for the environment variables, I am getting two types of environment variables. Edit the environment variables for your account. Edit the system environment variables. How many types of environment variables available? Guys, come on, tell me. Environment variables are available only one type, or there are two types of environment variables available? Two types of environment variables available. What are the two types of environment variables? One is user account environment variables. Second one is system environment variables. Sir, what is the difference? Can anyone tell me what is the difference between user account environment variables, system environment variables? Any idea? क्या फर्क है भाई? Under environment, we have two types of variables. User account environment variables and system environment variables. This is account variables. These are system variables. The variables which are using by our operating system are called as environment variables. The thing is, in one operating system, you can create multiple accounts. Suppose, for example, let's take an example. You have a brother. Your father purchased only one laptop. You should use that laptop. Your brother also should use the same laptop. Due to budget, your father purchased only one laptop. For you, for your brother also. Are you getting my point? You are using the same laptop. Your brother also using the same laptop. Now, you will create one account in the laptop for your work. Your brother will create one account for his work in the laptop. So how many accounts are there in the laptop now? You have one account. Your brother also having one account in the operating system. If you go with the user account variables, that means it is applicable for only for particular account which is logged in. System variables nothing but it is applicable for all the accounts in the computer, all the accounts in the operating system. So that is environment variables. Are you clear with my point? Java home we are setting in the environment variables. How many types of environment variables we have? Two types. One is user environment variable. Second one is system environment variable. Okay. User environment variables specific to particular account. System environment variables for all accounts. Note, environment variables will be used by operating system to execute. Environment variables will be used by operating system. Are you getting my point? Guys, setup will take a lot of time. So you have to understand all these concepts. Yes or no? How many of you don't know that there are two types of variables in the system earlier? Most of the people don't know what is user environment variable, what is system environment variable. Some Java people know that, but what about the people who are not from the programming background? They don't know this concept. In the interview, they will ask you, guys, when you attend the interview as a DevOps engineer, they will ask you, could you please tell me how to set up Java Home? Because in the DevOps, we are going to use Maven. If you want to use the Maven, you have to install the Java. When you install the Java, you have to set up the Java Home. They will ask a question in the interview, how to set up the Java Home in the computer. If you don't know these system variables, then you are gone. They will find out that you are a fake guy. Okay. You got the clarity? Why we need to set the Java Home in the environment variables now? Environment variables will be used by operating system. User environment variables, system environment variables. User variables are specific to particular account which we logged in. Particular account which is logged in. In our PC. System environment variables means it is applicable for all the accounts. Okay, now I'm going to set the Java Home for system variables. Let's go to program files, Java, JDK, copy the JDK path up to JDK, copy this, go to here, then go to system environment variables, guys. I'm going to set environment variables for my system, edit the system environment variables. Now, once I click on this system properties, environment variables, I will get this window, environment variables, user variables for Ashok. My account name is Ashok. Do you want to set the environment variables for Ashok account, or you want to set the environment variables for system variables? System. You see, Java Home is available already. Now, you are going to give the variable name as Java Home, variable value as the path of the JDK. This is my JDK path. C, program files, Java, JDK. This path we are going to use. Set the Java Home in environment variables. Which environment variables? System environment variables. We are going for system environment variables. How we are going to set that? Java underscore home is equal to JDK path. This is the path of my JDK. If you don't have it, guys, in my system already it is available. If you don't have it, click on the environment variables, then click on the new, then give the variable name as Java Home, variable value as the path of the JDK. That is how you need to set the Java Home in your system. Understood? Now here already it is available. Click on OK. OK. With this, my Java Home is available. Now, do you understand how to create this Java Home in the system variable? Set the Java Home in environment variables. Environment variables will be used by operating system. Okay. In the system variables, create new variable name as Java Home, variable value as this path of the JDK. With this, we are able to add the Java Home. Okay. Once it is done, set the path for Java. Set path for Java. Set path for Java. Okay. How to set the path for Java? Path for Java means to run the Java programs, we need to set the path. Here, go to bin. In the JDK bin, there are so many Java files are available. We are compiling the Java program. We are running the Java program. We are executing the jar command. We are going to execute the jar command, and all these commands are available in the JDK bin folder. You need to copy the bin folder up to JDK bin. Java path, that Java Home we are configuring up to JDK. Java path we are going to configure up to bin directory. Copy up to bin directory. Go to system environment variables. Here, Already we have a path. Already we have a path, guys. So don't delete it. Click on edit. Now you see for the JDK bin path is available like this. In the path, see here, already path will be available in every operating system. Don't delete it, guys. Click on edit. For the path, already it is available. Click on edit. If the JDK path is not available, suppose for example, JDK path is not available, then we need to click on new and we need to give the JDK path up to bin directory. Click on OK. Now, if you edit it, now you see my JDK path is available. My JDK path is available. Click on OK, click on OK, OK. So with this, my set path for Java. Path will be path. We are going to set like this. Path up to bin directory. Set path for Java. Go to system env variables. Env variables, system variables, select path, click on edit, select path and click on edit, then add JDK path. That is what you need to do. I'm going to repeat this step once again, guys. Observe carefully. I have Java software, program files, Java, JDK, bin, copy the bin path. I'm copying the path of the bin. This is the path for the Java. Java home is different, Java path is different. I'm copying the path for Java. Now go to system variables, that is environment variables. Edit the system environment variables, click on it, go to environment variables. Path is available already. Edit this path, click on edit. If the JDK path is not available, click on new and add the path. Add the path. Then click on OK. Once the path is added, then we are good. Okay. 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 Path is added. Once you have added the path, now you can check that Java is really working or not. Java space -b. Sorry, Java space -version. Can you see Java is working in my system now? Which version of the Java is available? Java 1.8 version is available. Once you have added this Java home and Java version, we can verify that Java is working or not in our system by executing a command called Java space -version. If you are getting that output, that means Java setup is completed successfully. Java setup is completed successfully. With this, we are done with just Java. Then what is next? What is next? What is our target actually? What is our target actually? Installing the Maven. Then what I am doing? I'm installing Java. Sir, we came to learn the Maven. Why are you installing the Java? Am I doing for time pass? Am I doing for time pass? No. Why we are installing Java? Today is the Maven class, right? Why I am installing Java? Can you tell me? Can you tell me why I am installing Java instead of Maven? Maven software is developed by using Java language. If you want to run the Maven, then you need the Java. So that's why we have installed Java first. Maven requires Java software. That's the reason I have installed Java in my computer. I'm setting Java home and I'm setting Java path. So here I have completed 3 steps, guys. What are the 3 steps I have completed? I have downloaded and installed Java software. Download and install the Java software. Once that step is completed, then set the Java home in the environment variables. Once the Java home is added for the environment variables, then set the path for the Java. Once the Java path setup completed, verify verify Java installation by executing below command in CMD, that is a command prompt. Okay, what is the command we are going to execute? Java space hyphen version. Java space hyphen version. When we execute this command, it will tell you which version of the Java is installed in our machine. Java space hyphen version. Now Java is running in my machine or not? Guys, tell me, Java is running in my machine or not? Yes, Java is running in my machine. Yes, with this, we are good with Java setup. We are good with Java setup. What is the next step? Download Maven software. It should display Java version command. It should display Java version which we have installed. Okay, fine. Next step. Finally, go and download Maven software from Apache website. Which company provided this Maven software? Guys, can you tell me which company provided this Maven software? Microsoft provided Maven. Google provided Maven. Which company provided this Maven? Apache. What is the name of the company? Apache company provided this Maven software. Okay, so go and download the Maven from Apache website. Java we downloaded from Oracle. Now download Apache Maven. Download Apache Maven. Okay, click on this. There is a zip file available, guys. This file you have to download. Which file we have to download? This file you have to download. Binary zip archive. Click on this zip. That zip got downloaded. Okay. So here, this is the link to download Maven software. Link to download. Link to download. What is the name of the file? What is the file name we are going to download here? Binary zip archive. This is the file we are going to download. This is the file we are going to download. Download Maven software from Apache website. So this is the link. If you click on this link, then it will show you the option to download. Download the Maven software from this link. Once you have downloaded the Maven, you are going to get this zip file. Guys, Maven is a standalone project. You no need to install anything. You just got the zip file, right? Let's go and extract this Maven zip file. Maven zip is available. Extract all. I'm going to extract this Maven software. Whatever the zip I got, I have extracted. Maven, Apache Maven 3.8.5 version I have downloaded. This is my Maven project folder structure. I got the Maven. You can keep the Maven folder anywhere, but for safety purpose, I am taking this Maven folder. I'm keeping in the C directory. Now, in my C directory, do I have the Apache Maven folder? Do I have the Apache Maven folder in the C directory? Whatever we have downloaded, same thing. Whatever we have downloaded, whatever the folder we have downloaded, that folder I kept in my C drive, guys. For easy access purpose, I kept my Maven folder in the C drive. Can you see Maven folder available in the C drive? Come on, please confirm, guys. Please be interactive. Please be interactive. Yes, just cut and paste. Just cut and paste. Just cut and paste. Fine. Once you have pasted this Maven folder in the C, you no need to do that also. Actually, you can keep that Maven wherever it is. But for safety purpose, I kept that in the C. I kept that in the C. Okay. Right. I have just downloaded this Maven software, guys. I got a zip file. I have extracted that zip file. When I extracted that zip file, I'm going to get a Maven folder like this. I got this Maven folder. I have just copied this Maven folder into C drive. That's it. Maven is downloaded as a zip file. That zip I have extracted. I got Apache Maven folder. I got this Apache Maven folder. This Apache Maven folder I copied into my C drive. That's it. Understood? Apache Maven is available in the C drive. Apache Maven is available in the C drive. Okay. Fine. Once you have this Maven, set the Maven home. Now, what is the next step we need to do? Set Maven home. Set Maven home in system environment variables. In system environment variables. Now, here you see that in the environment variables, I have Maven home. See here, do I have the Maven home in the environment variables? Up to which folder we are copying this Maven home? Up to Maven folder. That's it. Take up to Maven folder. Here we are going to set this as a Maven home, and this is the path. This is the path. Now set a path for Maven home, then set a path for Maven. We are going to set the path for Maven path we are going to set up to Maven bin folder. Up to Maven bin folder we are going to set the path. Take the Maven bin folder, go to path, click on edit. Java path is already available. Click on new, add the Maven path up to Maven bin directory. Click on OK, click on OK, OK. So first I have installed Java, then I have configured Java home, then I configured Java path. Then I have downloaded the Maven, then I have added the Maven home, then I have added the Maven path. Maven home is up to Maven folder, Maven path up to Maven bin folder. Java home, Java path. Maven home, Maven path. Understood? Understood what I have done? Clear? This is the Maven home up to Maven folder. Maven path up to bin folder. Okay. I have given the location also. See once again. Download and install the Java. Whenever you install the Java, by default it will be installed in the C directory program files folder. Java will give you JDK and JRE. JDK nothing but development kit. JRE nothing but runtime environment. Okay, we have installed. Once we install, we need to set the Java home. Okay, under system environment variables, we are going to set it. Java home we are setting up to JDK folder, guys. Java home we are setting up to JDK folder. Then Java path we are setting up to bin folder. Bin is extra in the path. In the home up to JDK, in the path bin is extra. Okay. Once it is done, once you set the Java home and Java path, we can verify the installation of the Java by using this Java -version command, which will tell you which version of the Java you have installed. Good. Then once the Java installation completed, we need to set up the Maven. So for that, we need to download the Maven. Maven you can't install. Maven is a standalone software. It is going to give you a zip file. It is going to give you zip file. Here what I have done, extract Maven zip file and paste, extract Maven zip file and copy Maven folder and paste it in C drive. Something like this I have done. Okay, extract Maven zip file and copy Maven folder, extract Maven zip file, copy Maven folder, copy extracted Maven folder, extract Maven zip file, then copy extracted Maven folder and paste it in C drive. Paste it in the C drive. Once you have pasted in the C drive, then set the Maven home in the system environment variables. Maven home C:, Apache Maven folder. Maven folder I have extracted. I kept in the C folder. So I'm giving this Maven home in the system variables. Once the Maven home is ready, then set the path for Maven in system environment variables. In system environment variables. Maven home is up to Maven folder. Maven path is up to bin folder. So with this, our Maven installation process got completed. All these steps are very, 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 very important. Once this Maven installation got completed, can we verify the Maven is installed correctly or not? Can we verify Maven is correctly installed or not? Java installation we verified. It is working. Now go to command prompt. Go to command prompt. Type a command Maven -version. Oh, it is MVN-version. Execute the command called MVN. MVN represents version. MVN-version. Is it printing Apache Maven 3.8.5 version? Is it printing Apache Maven version? That means Maven is installed correctly. Yes. Open the command prompt and verify Maven installation by executing below command. Open command prompt and verify Maven installation using below command. What is that command, guys? What is the command? MVN-version. MVN stands for Maven. MVN stands for Maven. Good. So with this, Maven installation process got completed. With this, we have completed the Maven installation process. Are you clear with this? Are you clear with this? Can you please read these steps, guys? Very, very important. Step 1. Please read it. एक बार read करो. Maven installation. What is the first step? I want you to respond in the chat. What is the first step? To set up the Maven in our Windows machine. What is the first step? What is the first step? Download and install the Java. When you install the Java, what are the things you are going to get in Java? Two things you are going to get. One is JDK, another one is the JRE. JDK nothing but development kit. JRE nothing but runtime environment. To develop the Java program, to compile the Java program, JDK required. To run the Java program, JRE required. JDK is a development kit. JRE is a runtime environment. From which website we need to download the Java software? Oracle website. Java is under license of the Oracle. Once we have installed Java, by default in which folder it is going to install? C folder, C drive. By default in which directory it is going to install? C directory, program files. Okay, you can see the Java folder there. Now we need to set the Java home. Why we need to set the Java home? Why we need to set the Java home? Why we need to set the Java home? To tell the operating system where is the Java software installed. To tell the operating system where is the Java software installed, in which location in my system, in my computer, where is the Java, I need to tell to my computer. That's why I'm going to set the Java home in the environment variable. Who will use the environment variables? Who will use the environment variables of our computer? Java will use the environment variables. Maven will use the environment variables. Operating system will use the environment variables. Come on, guys. Why we are setting environment variables? Operating system will use the environment variables. We are setting the Java home in the environment variables. That means we are telling to operating system where is the Java in our system. In which folder Java is installed in our system, we are telling to the operating system by using environment variables. How many types of environment variables will be available in the computer? Two types. One is user variable, second one is system variable. What is the difference between user and system? User means particular account. System means all the accounts. Can we have multiple accounts in one operating system? Yes, we can have multiple accounts in one operating system. If you want to set the environment variables for all the accounts in the operating system, then you can go for system variables. Right. I'm setting Java home. Java home, we are going to set up to JDK or up to JDK bin folder. Java home up to JDK. Java path we will set up to bin. Right? Next one. Once the Java home and Java path is configured, how to verify the Java installation is success or not? Go to command prompt, then verify that installation by executing a command Java space -version. Then it will tell you which version of the Java installed in our machine. Right. See here, I'm going to check that version. Java space -version. Java version 1.8. Java 8 version I'm using here. Java 8 version I'm using in my system. I'm able to install the Java successfully. I'm able to verify the Java installation. Okay. Once the Java is installed and Java home and Java path is configured, let's go and download Maven. Which company provided Maven software for us? Which company provided Maven software? Apache. Maven is a paid software or Maven is a free software? Maven is a free software. Maven developed by which language? Java only. Maven developed by using which language? Maven is developed by using Java only. So in order to run the Maven, we need Java. That's why first I have installed Java, later I have installed Maven. Once you have downloaded this Maven from Apache website using this URL, link to download Maven. Link to download the Maven. This is the URL you can use to download the Maven software. Okay. In that website, this is the file binary archive. Binary archive we are downloading. Binary archive file we are downloading. That is going to give you one zip file. After I have downloaded the zip file, Java is downloaded in the exe file. Java is downloaded in the exe. This is an executable file. Java software we need to install. But Maven is a zip. You no need to install the Maven. You are going to download the zip file for the Maven. Once you got that zip, extract that zip file, you will get some folder. Copy that folder into C drive, or you can keep it in any drive, no problem. Wherever that Maven folder is available, you need to take the path of that folder. You need to configure that as a Maven home. I have taken Maven _home. This is the path of the Maven home. This is the location where is the Maven available. Why I am setting the Maven home? I am telling to my operating system where is the Maven software available in my computer. That is the reason I am setting Maven home. Maven home is used to tell where is the Maven software in our computer. We are telling to operating system where is the Maven in our computer. Then Maven path. What is this path, guys? Java home is available, Maven home is available. Then why path is required? Path will tell you all the commands, all the tools which are required for you. Where the tools are available, the path is representing the tools of the Maven. Java path represents Java tools. Maven path represents Maven tools. You need to tell that. You need to tell that. Now, guys, here I'm setting these things in the environment variables. You can do this setup in the CLI command line also. But if you set up that in the command line, that is called temporary setup. You can set up the Java path, Maven path, Java home, Maven home in the command prompt. But once you close the command prompt, then those things will be removed. You can set them in the command prompt also. I can set like this, Java_home setup, Java_home